Hello students. Mathematics plays a very prominent role in our day-to-day lives. Measurement is one among them. Finding length, volume, weight and temperature comes under the topic measurement. Today we will learn in brief about measurement of length. Length is a measure of how long or wide an object is. Length is measured using ruler and measuring tape. Do you know, in olden days, people were not having modern instruments. They were using their hands and feet for measuring the length. Span, foot, cubit, pace are the ancient units of length. Handspan is the distance between the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Foot span is the average length of the foot. Cubit is the distance between the middle finger to the elbow. Pace is the distance spanned by a step. Florists still use cubit to measure the length of the flagland. The size of the palm and the feet differs from person to person, which led to inconvenience in measurement. So, new instruments were discovered. Scale is one of the modern instruments. We can measure the length of the object in millimeter, centimeter or in inches using a scale. In the picture, the length of the crayon is 3 inches, length of the pencil is 16 centimeter and the length of the line segment is 4.5 inches. Millimeter is the smallest unit of length, which is used to measure the length of very small objects. 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. Centimeter is used for measuring the small objects. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Meter is used for measuring bigger objects or longer lengths, such as length of a playground, park or swimming pools. 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. Kilometer is the biggest unit of length which is used for measuring the distance between two places. These are the basic units of length. The other common units used in length are foot, yard and mile. Yard is used in cricket pitch. Distance between two places is also measured in miles. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. The other basic units of length are hectometer, decameter and decimeter. In space, distance is measured in light years. In this slide, the length of few objects measured in inches. Find the length of other objects on the right hand side of the slide. Few more objects are given in this slide. Find their lengths in centimeter. Generally, we travel from one place to another by walking or in various transports. Here are two examples depicting the total distance traveled or distance uncovered using kilometer. Measuring tape is also used in finding the length of objects. Generally, it is used in measuring the length of cloth by tailors and fashion designers. This slide summarizes the concepts learned today. I hope you remember all the concepts. Worksheet is given based on the concepts taught today. Write the answers for the fill in the blanks. Thank you and have a nice day.